sheet, then you're going to form a scatter plot, so you need to get a new page. Control document adds a new page, and then you need to say what kind of page, whether you want a graph or a spreadsheet. So we need a graph. We're going to make a scatter plot. And to make a scatter plot, we're going to hit Menu and Graph Entry Edit. It's already on Function, but we want the scatter plot. And it brings up these two variables. So you're going to hit the variable button, var, and it's going to bring up your choices. And remember, I defined X as femur length and the Y value. Click the cursor down to the Y, and then hit var again. And it brings up my choices, and I'm going to claim height as the Y-axis, and that's the way I labeled my spreadsheet. And then you're going to hit enter to see if it forms a scatter plot. And since I don't see it, I'm going to go ahead and zoom out and zoom to fit the data, because my data is bigger than my screen. It's spread out more. So I'm going to hit Menu and then Window Zoom. I'm just going to hit Zoom to fit the data. Zoom fit. And then I see the scatter plot. And then I go back to the spreadsheet. So remember, it was at 1.1 right here, this document. Or I can hit Control left arrow to move back to that document. And now I'm going to enter the cursor right there in the blank box right next to my data. And now I'm going to hit Menu again to try to get the equation of the line of best fit. It's under Statistics, Stat Calculations, and it's not highlighted, so I'm going to just click on this again, escape, and escape back out of that, and click on the box again to try to get it to highlight. So that's going to be Menu and Statistics, and now it should come up. Statistics, and now Stat Calculations is highlighted, and I need Linear Regression, which is y equals mx plus b, number 3. They have my X list defined as column C, but remember I defined it as femur length, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the right arrow at the end of it and click femur, and click on the arrow for the Y list and click height. Since I defined those, they have to be defined the same as your spreadsheet. F1 is okay to leave there because that's where I want the equation to be, is function 1, and the rest of it is okay, so I'm going to hit OK. And then it does all the work for you and gives you your slope, your y-intercept, and your R value. As you can see, this the correlation between femur length and height was very weak in this class, and we'll talk about the errors in measurement and things that made the R value be pretty weak at 0.409. But now we're going to go back and put this equation of this line on the graph in the scatter plot. So now you're going to go back to 1.1. Remember, you can hit 1.2, you can hit Control right now to move back, or you could have just clicked on the document. And now I'm going to I'm going to hit Menu. And this time I'm going to enter the function. So graph entry edit again, but instead of going to scatter plot, you're going to enter the function. And remember, I wanted F1, so I need to arrow up, and it brings up F1. There's the equation. And now I'm just going to hit enter, and it draws the line of best fit through the scatter plot and gives me the equation on the graph. And that's it.